Welcome back. Last week we took a look at the special animations that our custom characters can do. In that case we created the She Builder, Jen, and in this case I've gone ahead, created another Jen, and added a box. So we can work on telling our story by using custom animations that we build, putting together two of the ones that she can already do and create what we call a custom method. I'm going to show you, we're back to the methods tab here, and you can see before I started this, I created one and I named it Jen.comes-to-obstacle. We're going to create one, we're going to replicate that, and I'm going to show you why it'll make your programming much more you'd make it more standard, more easy to follow, and just generally makes it less work, less typing. So let's click on Create New Method, and at this point this is where you'll call what you want your character to do. And in this case it's going to be the name that comes after the period. When you see Jen.comes-to-obstacle, I put comes-to-obstacle. So I'm going to put another comes-to-box. I'm going to name it that. And click OK. And you'll see here you'll get a screen like you do when you first opened your editor. When you're first in My World, you got this view. Your new method will also give you an editor view, and this is where you put your animation together. So for in this case, let's drag hello over, and we're going to put it in there. And in this case, let's pull some of these special conditions down, this do together. Because you know, Alice will do things one after the other unless you tell it you want them to do them together at the same time. So in this case, we're going to have Jen walk, because we want her to confront the box. That's because part of what the story we're trying to tell is what happens every time she comes in contact with the box. It's going to ask me right off how far she wants to walk. I'm going to select 1, and then what I'm going to do is pick from her standard animation options, because we don't just have to use the animation ones, the custom animations. We can come down to the bottom. They're all easy, well-known options. So we're going to find move forward. Hang on a second here. Let's just do move. Here we go. And we're going to have her move forward, excuse me, 1 meter. Okay, and now we're going to have what happens when she confronts the box, because this is going to be the animation series that if you just click on this once, it'll take her through all of these actions. So I think we're done with the two together. We want her to walk, and you know, walk time is kind of a medium walk. We want her to walk mediumly towards the box for 1 meter, and then what's going to happen? I want her to look angry, because we know from that animation she has some pretty cool little actions that she does. So I'm going to put these two together. So this, what this is saying, and I'm going to go ahead and save this. Okay. And you'll see now that we've created this new method. You have one now that's called comes-to-box that shows up down here now. So let's play and see what happens. Oops. Okay, so that pretty much does what I'd hoped it would do. So let's close this. And let's say, I'm going to take this out here too. So let's say we're trying to start our story and you're thinking, rather than having to drag and drop all 4 or 5 different things that we just asked that come-to-box to do, if we just put that shortcut right in here, and we'll play it, we'll see what it does is it does all those things rolled up together. So the beauty of it again is it standardizes your programming, but also you can ask it, you can call it throughout the script that you end up writing in this screen editor. So for example, you might want to add 10 boxes. So instead of having to program each action, move forward, walk at this speed, wave, look angry, 5 or 6 different things, you can just pull this one custom method over and tell Alice, hey, do these 6 things every time you see this. So next week what we'll do is we'll go ahead and figure out how these custom methods can help you complexly program things like games for Alice. Till the next time, we'll talk soon.